120Hz Full HD Plus AMOLED display, Helio G96 processor, 64 megapixel rear camera, 8GB RAM and 256GB internal storage. Hello there, my name is Dominic and welcome to the Tecno Camon 18 Premier unboxing and quick specification check. It has been barely 6 months after Tecno gave us the Tecno Camon 17 Pro, and now we have the Tecno Camon 18 Premier. Now for this video I have one better. I have the Tecno Camon 18. I'm going to call this the regular smartphone and this the Tecno Camon 18 Premier. Now I'm going to unbox this at the end of the video for a quick comparison with the Tecno Camon 18 Premier. Wow, I like that silver casing over there. Now here comes the other very big features of the Tecno Camon 18 Premier. We have a stabilized gimbal camera and 60 times hyper zoom. Looks nice. I like that red accent on the camera over there. And at the bottom over there, you can see that rectangular thing. That is the stabilized gimbal camera. So for the front camera, we can now see that it is a dot-in display front camera. So as that boots up, let us check the other accessories. Have a 12+1 months warranty. We have a flexible phone case over here. We have the 33-watt flash charger, the SIM ejector tool, hands-free headset, and a USB Type-C cable. Let us now check the physical attributes of the Tecno Camon 18 Premier. On the right side, we have the power button, which also doubles up as the fingerprint scanner. On top of that, we have the volume buttons. At the bottom from the right, we have the speaker, the USB Type-C port, the microphone, and the 3.5mm audio jack. It's barely visible, but on the left side over here, we have the SIM tray, which can hold an SD card at the top over there and 2 nano SIM cards at the bottom. This is quite a different design from what we are used to. At the top we have a secondary microphone over here. At the front we have the 32 megapixel dot-in display camera, and on top we have the earpiece over here. At the back we have the triple camera setup with quad flash over here. This phone looks nice. This phone indeed looks amazing. Notice that we didn't have the screen protector as one of the accessories while unboxing this phone. That's because it's actually installed on the phone. Now after booting up, you notice that this phone does not have the navigation buttons at the bottom of the screen. That's because it uses gestures. And another thing that I've noticed is that if you swipe down from the left, you get your notifications, and if you swipe down from the right, you get your drop-down menu over here, which includes the settings. Now let us take a look at the Tecno Camon 18 Premier specifications. This phone is known as the Tecno CH9 and it has a Helio G96 processor, 64 megapixel triple rear camera setup at the back over here, 32 megapixel front dot-in display camera. It has 8GB RAM, 256GB internal storage. The screen is 1080 by 2400. Like I mentioned before, this is an AMOLED display. The battery capacity is 4750 mAh and it has a 33-watt flash charger. And of course, this phone runs on Android 11. And now let us take a look at the sensors available on the Tecno Camon 18 Premier. But first, let us check the CPU speed. So the Helio G96 processor is an octa-core 2.05 GHz MT6781 VCD processor, and this phone also has a Mali G57 MC2 GPU. So the Tecno Camon 18 Premier has an accelerometer, it has an orientation sensor, it has a magnetic sensor which is available and working, It has a proximity sensor also available and working, light sensor as well available and working. It has a rotation sensor, gyroscope, very important for gaming, is also available. A gravity sensor is also available. The temperature, pressure and humidity sensors are not available. And finally, the game rotation, step detector and step counter sensors are all available. Now I'm very eager to do a camera review of the Tecno Camon 18 Premier, but first of all, let me just do the specifications. Now the lens at the top over there, that is the 1x zoom. This is the normal camera that you will use to take photos and videos. At the center, the one with the red ring around it, that is the wide angle lens. And at the bottom, that is the telephoto lens. With this lens, you can take pictures of the moon. Let's take a look at the camera features. So first of all, let us take a look if the front camera actually has flash. And of course you can see the Tecno Camon 18 Premier has front dual flash. And you can actually control the intensity on the screen over here. So unfortunately, the Tecno Camon 18 Premier does not have the picture sizes, so I can't show you the picture sizes like I always do. But let us take a look at the video qualities. So the Tecno Camon 18 Pro can shoot video qualities from 720p to 2K, and I'm sure this is all at 30 frames per second. The same applies to the front camera. So this is a pretty decent phone, as you have seen. So how does it stack up against the Tecno Camon 18? This is the regular phone, as I'm calling it. The regular Tecno Camon 18 has a 48 megapixel AI ultra camera set up at the back. This is a 6.8 inch dot-in display, 90Hz full HD display smartphone. Now these two phones seem indistinguishable. It's just that the Tecno Camon 18, which is the regular, is a little bit bigger. This is 6.8 inches and the Tecno Camon 18 Premier is 6.7 inches. At the back they are almost undistinguishable, but the Tecno Camon has a dull color, while the Tecno Camon 18, the regular one, has a glossy feeling at the back over here. Now what are the main differences between the Tecno Camon 18 Premier and the regular Tecno Camon 18? Well, the Camon 18 Premier is a little bit smaller because it has a 6.7 inch screen. The Camon 18 has a 6.8 inch full HD screen. Although this is an LCD screen, the Tecno Camon 18 Premier has a full HD AMOLED display. Both devices are full HD. The Premier has a 120Hz refresh rate, while the Camon 18 has 90Hz refresh rate. The Tecno Camon 18 Premier is the premium version, that's why it has 8GB RAM, 256GB internal storage, a Helio G96 processor, and 33W fast charging. The Camon 18, on the other hand, has 4GB RAM, 128GB ROM, Helio G88 processor, and 18W fast charging. The Camon 18 Premier has a bigger charger. This is because this is a 33W flash charger, while the Camon 18 has a smaller charger. This is an 18W flash charger. Although the Camon 18 has a bigger battery, this one has 5000 mAh battery, while the Camon 18 Premier has 4750 mAh battery. I will do a much more detailed comparison of these two devices, so keep coming back to my channel for that. Thank you for watching and goodbye. And I also love that green insert on the Camon 18.